I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today, I just wanted to make this quick video just to let you guys know, people with locks or people that's about to start locks. Uh, Basically, retwist is just a style. Like a lot of people think a retwist is going to last 2, 3, 4 months. It's just basically you going in, them putting all the new growth back inside of the actual starter lock, and then you just go. You got to make sure you wear your headscarf. You got to make sure you wear a shower cap. There are ways to be able to make your retwist last, but don't think any style that you do, unless it's like braids, twists, something with extensions. Now that's going to last, but if you have fuzzy hair, your hair's still going to be fuzzy. All the things that your hair was already doing before you locked up is going to be doing that then. And it's okay for fuzzy hair. I mean, you see, I have fuzzy hair. You just have to get in with the right mindset when you're starting locks. A lot of people think it's going to just be perfect. It's going to be perfect. No, you just make sure that if you want a style, if you want a style, styles do make your retwist last longer. Also, I feel pretty proud of myself because I got a retwist and a month ago. I did my own retwist and I did these two-strand twists. Two-strand twist is an excellent style to be able to give yourself after a retwist, and that will make your retwist last really long, as well as it will give you a whole nother style once you take out your twist. So once I take these out, it's going to be crinkly, it's going to be pretty. So you can have your retwist last for about a good 3 weeks to a month, and then take out your twist, and then you have a whole nother style all in all. So again, just wanted to come to you guys, letting you know retwists do not last for months and months. I don't care how you do it. It just don't. Interlock, it lasts a while, keep the roots nice and tidy, but still, eventually new growth's gonna come and you're gonna get that fuzz, that new growth and all that stuff. And that's normal, that's fine. That means you have healthy locks. You do not want a style that's just stay there and never mess up. It's no such thing. Life ain't even like that. I mean, everything eventually mess up. Okay, just want to tell you guys that. Okay, bye.